Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and just coming from work, so I thought I'd do another lock picking video. As you can see, it's another ABUS lock. Model is 90/50, closed shackled. It's 5-pin. I got no working key with this. It was in the care package from my great friend Stephen out there on YouTube, aka SSM0379. As you can see, it's the sort of TITALIUM model, and I am loving these for the look and the chunk. They are so light and they look fantastic on display. And basically I'm now collecting these TITALIUM locks. I have my vintage locks on the inside of my antique display cabinet, and some of the newer locks sort of displayed across the top. And saying that, on top I do have a few sort of older stroke vintage American locks on there, because I really like those also. Like I say, it's locked up. The pick I'm going to use is Peterson DeForest, or as a lot call it, Reacher half diamond. Tension wrench is going to be a flexi tension wrench. It's a homebrew, and if you are newbies to lock sport guys, these are really easy to make, and they're literally the metal inserts from sort of car wiper blades. Strip the rubber off, slide the piece of metal out, twist and bend to your heart's content. Like I say, no working key. I'm going to start front and work backwards. When I go on to pin 1 and push down, it drops over a little bit. You've got then counter rotation on the other pins. It's like 2, 3 and 4. What tends to happen sometimes on pin 4 is once you've set the pin, the plug won't drop over, but keeping your tension spot on, it's light anyway, but I ease off very slightly on pin 4, nip it onto pin 5 and the lock opens. So like I say, it's locked up. The warding's a little bit awkward with this pick, but the pick works wonders. Let's see how we get on. Dropped over a little bit. There you go. Picked open. Bit of a shake just to literally drop the shackle out. It is key retaining, so that's not going to move anywhere until you place sort of the shackle back in and lock it back up. So if you are newbies to lock sport guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Whilst on the forum, we have our own online store, which is www.specialkeys.co.uk, where you can purchase the most fantastic and cheapest bump keys on the World Wide Web. Pickwizard, who actually makes the bump keys, literally does them to perfection. He really does. They are outstanding guys. I've got a lot in my kit and they work absolutely fantastic, so pop along to Special Keys. Also, if you want some other bits and pieces such as picks, etc., pop along to www.withoutakey.co.uk. Pete, who owns the store, is an outstanding guy. your picks, you will get them at such great prices, you really will. And the reason I state that is because when I first started Lock Sports, he was the first person I bought my picks from. I popped onto the website, the correspondence, emails back when I was getting stuck with bits and pieces. So my first pick set was bought from withoutakey.co.uk. So thanks for watching, guys. Happy picking, and as I always say, please keep it legal.